When you start off, I needed a 916 box, not a box and a star box, when a star goes in wrenches. It was one of the springs on the star, one of the springs and it was it wasn't a compression spring, it wasn't it was a forging spring in the form of a little plate that has been wound, keeping pressure on the brushes on the armature. That spring had corroded because that boat had seen salt water dripping, and that corrosion had set place, and that spring gave. So that little brush was not pushing against the armature, and that's why I couldn't start it. So you know what happened after I solved that problem? I got extra brushes and an extra start. And the damn boat.
Never happened again.
No. Did it happen? No. Let's try it out again. But I had another starter, and I had all the tools to take it. So you learn your lesson, because it's not, it's not fun to be stranded. It's not fun to be stranded in a place like March Island in the summertime in July, August. The mosquitoes in July. We had a miserable time with the mosquitoes that night, because I had to be pulled in on that first job. No, they didn't charge me. But now, I don't know, maybe they'll charge you now. Here's what the sheriff did.